Hello there, YouTube land. I said something wrong, so I've done a cut. Maybe I should put my, bloopers in. I went, cut, do it again. Anyway, hello everybody out there. What am I saying? Welcome back to the Small Workshop Adventures. Now I'm laughing, as I do sometimes on my videos. What are we doing? Well, this is just a quick little video. I don't know if any of you ever have used one of these. Profile gauge, I have used it a bit in some other videos, I think. Maybe I have, maybe I haven't. It's for scribing around. So I just thought I'd do a short little video, because sometimes when you've got to get round, look at this. Maybe when you've got to cut round, see that skirting, and you've got like that shape there, but you've got to get a bit of timber that goes absolutely around there. Well, these are brilliant for that. What we've got to do is, you can see that bit of timber up there. Can you see that there? We've got to cut it round the cornice. So in the corner where that shape is, that we've got to actually make the wood scribe round there. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be using this, and I'm going to be shaping it. Now, I've done one. Here's in the good, if you're in England, if you're a UK dweller, you know what I'm talking about. And in the good tradition of Blue Peter, anyone remember Blue Peter? Well, it's still going on, isn't it? Oh, who used to watch it? Here's one I prepared earlier. So we're going to look at one I prepared earlier, and we're going to use that to create that shape. So let's just come over to there.
I'm going to keep it going on.
There we go. Good.
Yeah, we're there now. It's still the same video, so but you can edit it.
Right. What we're going to do is we're going to create that profile. Now it's going to go into there, but I've got to get it in. Got to go in quite a way, so we've got to at least attempt to get that. So what we'll do is we'll get this up there, and we will start to actually push this in, and we will just make that. It's actually quite simple, really. That's essentially how a profile gauge works. So we put that, and we get that. And that creates the profile. We're not going to go up into there with that. We didn't there, but we're going to go there. So that creates actually the profile there. It's quite straightforward, really. An amazing little tool if you want to get around something. So now we have a profile. Let's see how that goes. Right, we're back downstairs with the trestles, so my workhorses. So we just put that on there. It's just a fairly simple. This is not going to be absolutely exact because I've got to take it in further. But what this will give me the ability is it'll actually probably work about there. Actually, is probably what I should do. So if I come about there, that's not going to be far off. So you can see that you put that there. You put your profile, because that was on the top of the roof. So you can see that, and we just draw essentially round it. And I'm going to come out there. Now I will jigsaw that out. That's not going to be far off. It may need a little bit more work, but that's going to give me a really, really good starting point. Right, we're just going to cut this. Right, we're going to offer that up, and we'll do some more finer adjusting. So let's do that. We need to cut that a little bit out, which will push that in there, and that will start to bring that in closer. So we need to notch that out a little bit and come around there. Let's bring all this section out a little bit. So a little bit more adjusting just to take that in. Right, we need a couple of mil. It's still not quite on the wall, so we need to just take a little bit again where I took the nose off. So we'll take a little bit round there, just to take that back a bit more. That'll give us a little bit more in. So we've profiled that in. That's pretty good, really. It's slightly, I mean, you're always going to have some discrepancies because obviously the ceiling's is not perfectly flat, but that's pretty good. Quite pleased with that. So there you go. You nearly had another blooper there and you weren't filming. I just sort of went, I don't know what I did, I staggered and fell over. Now Thomas is just laughing. He said, should have been filming, because I just completely lost my balance. I have no idea. It's like I'd had too many whiskies or too many whatever. Now that's another story.
That Scotland trip catching up on your dad.
That's another Scotland trip with the whiskey that the world comes from. We're going off at a tangent, as I sometimes do. That was just a quick video about a profile gauge. These are, you can get a couple of them. Go to various tool shops in the UK. You can get these at Screwfix, at Toolstation, and a number. You probably even get this at B&Q and places like that. I have no idea if you were at somewhere else in the world where you would buy them, but they are an invaluable tool to add to your toolkit. So profile gauge, that's what it is. So thanks for watching here at the Small Workshop Adventures. There's loads more, so if you're new to the channel, please click the like button. In fact, if you're not new to the channel, it really matters that you click the like button, because then it shows YouTube that you like this sort of thing and it promotes it more and more, and it really helps me as a channel. So thank you so much. So like and subscribe. So all there is from me, Mark, at the Small Workshop Adventures. Take care, everybody. Bye.